Hello everyone, do you still remember me? My name is Mando and right now my friend and I are on Chipto Street. My friend's motorcycle is currently being repaired by two of his friends and I am watching and learning. They are repairing it and the problem is solved. Therefore, it will take some time to fix the motorcycle. The problem is with the exhaust pip. There is a part of the exhaust pip that is loose, causing the sound to be a little off. So my current activity with my friend is to repair the motorcycle while consulting with a friend who is an expert and since my friend the exhaust is from a friend who is an expert in the field of motorcycle repair and mechanics. To speed up the repair process, his friend immediately at location to fix the problem.